Rob Frazier here. This video, how to do affiliate marketing with a blog. Before I get into this is a strategy that I actually do. There are some marketers who will say this is how to do affiliate marketing with a blog or with whatever, but they aren't actually doing what they're saying. I am actually doing this strategy, and I can give you firsthand knowledge that it is a powerful strategy and it works if you give it the attention it needs. So that's my little disclaimer there. I'm not saying everyone else out there says that and does the opposite, but there's a lot of marketers out there who do. So just saying, this is a strategy that I actually do and employ. Also, underneath this video, I will have a link to this blog post that I actually go into more detail with. And it's hard to just throw all of this stuff that will help you do affiliate marketing with a blog in one 15-minute or less video and try to still keep your attention at the same time. So that being said, in the description and in the first pinned comment underneath the video, I have a link to this blog post, and also have if I remember, to put my link to my podcast where I talk about the same thing underneath there as well. Also, on this blog post, I do give a shout out to Sean Ogle, hopefully I'm saying his name right, from Location Rebel. On his blog, I basically take his 8 steps that he has laid out, but I actually go into a little bit more detail within each step. He had a blog post on another topic, but I took his 8 steps because I felt that was, that's a good place to start. And so what I do is actually take the 8 steps and actually go down and share where I have learned or the resource that I needed to accomplish each step, if that makes sense. And also, before I really get into the nitty-gritty and the weeds, this is a huge, massive topic, and don't let me discourage you, but there's a lot to learn when it comes to affiliate marketing, not just with a blog. The whole purpose of a blog is really just to have something on the internet that can generate you traffic, generate you people looking at your stuff who are interested in whatever it is you're into. So in my case, I focus in affiliate marketing biz ops space for the most part, and that's the type of content that I talk about. I talk about my results, my strategies, how I'm working the business, and blogging is just one of those strategies, if that makes sense. So, getting into this, I will also, before I get into the steps, just share with you 2 places to go to learn if you really want to just go into a deep dive with affiliate marketing and blogging. 2 places to go, obviously YouTube and Pinterest. Go to Pinterest, you create a free account, same thing with YouTube, create a free account, and just do a search. Affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing with a blog. And once you start going down the list here, you will find enough content for the rest of your life. Because it's not just one thing that you're going to learn and then that you're going to execute. It's just a continuous implementation of things. So, before I get into this, before you're probably feeling all overwhelmed, it's not anything to be overwhelmed about. Because when you look at my basic rinky-dink blog, that's what I'm doing. I'm working my framework. What I do is every single day I try to learn something new about blogging, step 1. Step 2, I apply what I've learned. Where do I get this information? YouTube and Pinterest. This is where you'll find blogs, and you'll find the best way to promote blogs on Pinterest, hands down, better than YouTube. You can quote me on that. Go to Pinterest and YouTube. Those are your 2 places you want to hang out. Pinterest and YouTube, and watch these videos. You can join their courses if you want, but also watch what these people are doing. So you look at other marketers, you see what they're doing, you see what they're promoting, but pay attention to what they are doing. Not necessarily, you look at them, but just don't take it at face value, if that makes sense. Because there's a lot of marketers, they'll say, this is how to make money blogging, but they're not actually making money blogging. They're making money another way, and they're just selling the information that could be old or outdated or whatever the case may be, if that makes sense. Not saying these guys are doing it, I'm just drawing out a basic disclaimer. So you go down here, you go to YouTube, you go to Pinterest, you learn different things, and you apply the framework. You learn something new, you apply it. If you don't get results, you go back and you learn something else. Then go to step 2, you apply it. If you get results, step 3, you document it. This is me doing that. Documenting is basically doing a video, doing a blog post, doing a podcast, social media post, and then you share it. Share it on social media, share it with your email list, share it wherever. Share it on YouTube, share it in your blog. All of that being said, how to do affiliate marketing with a blog. Number 1, you gotta create a website or blog. In this blog post, I talk about where I learned how to set up my website at. It's not the best website in the world, but it's starting to generate me more and more traffic on a daily basis. And as I apply my framework, as I learn something new, as I apply it, as I get more results, I document and I share those results. As I get more traction doing that, the more traffic I start getting, the more money I start making. It's just that simple. And the only time that process stops is if I stop learning new things, if that makes sense. So step 1, you got to create a website or blog. Wealthy Affiliate. You create a free account at Wealthy Affiliate. If I remember, I'll put my Wealthy Affiliate video underneath this, or I'll do a little card or whatever that thing is, so you can click on so you can learn about Wealthy Affiliate. Create a free account, hopefully using my affiliate link. I would like if you use my affiliate link, but if not, hey, it's all good. But you can go to Wealthy Affiliate, learn how to create a website or blog. Step 2, choose a niche. Niche, however you want to pronounce it. That's the biggest part I struggled at in the beginning. I went in 10,000 different directions and didn't make any traction. Once you pick a niche and you focus on it, that's when you're going to start getting results. Plain and simple. So pick a niche. And also, one thing I forgot to mention, if you can, find a mentor. That's probably the most important step that's not even in these 8 steps here. Find a mentor who's doing it so you can talk to them and be like, hey, is this how this works? I have a question about this. How did you do that? Having a mentor really makes this process a lot easier, and you're not feeling like you're all by yourself and overwhelmed and getting discouraged. Find a mentor. If you don't have one, hey, I'm your guy. Not necessarily going to be free, but you get the point. You got to join me in a program. It's just that simple. Step 3, basically research products in your niche that you can review. I'm obviously focused on affiliate marketing, biz-off type space, but this can be in anything. If you want to do, if you like dogs, go to YouTube and type in dog affiliate program, cats affiliate program, whatever. There's affiliate programs for virtually almost everything out there. So you find affiliate programs and you just join them. Then from there, you create content around those affiliate products. And it's step 6 in this article here, but that's roughly how this whole thing works. You find products that you can be an affiliate for, then you create content around that topic. So if you're into dogs, you type in dog affiliate programs, dog food affiliate programs, dog leash, whatever, dog training affiliate programs, and then you just put out content talking about, hey, here are 3 tips on training your dog. Here are 3 things I learned how to get your dog to stop barking at the mailman, whatever. And then as you create that content and you share it on social media, the only people who are going to be clicking on those things are people who are interested in dogs, who may be more statistically inclined to buy whatever products you're an affiliate for. This works in whatever it is you're in. And I'm going to just leave it at there. Underneath this video will be a link to the blog post so you can get the full 8 steps and you can get my full rundown. But like I said, it's impossible to just jam everything in just that quick. And also, I will share, this is a continuous process, because even just looking at my blog, it's like, it's not pretty, it's ugly, it's very basic, but I do my own framework. Like, I just learned how to add a table of contents to my blog. So now when people come to this article, I could put a table of contents, and then people click to the section that they want, and that increases engagement on my blog, which is good for the Google search engines. People will spend more time on my blog because they're getting right to the point. They're finding the information that they want using that table of contents. So that's an example of something that I learned, something that I applied, and I'm getting results from it because I have people spending more time on my website. So that same structure is what I'm doing in this same process. And don't be afraid that you're starting out in the beginning, because there's always somebody behind you. There's always going to be someone ahead. Oh, someone's making more money, someone's a super affiliate and blah, blah, blah. But there's also somebody who's like behind you, just dying to get the information that you already know, whether you know it or not. So it's just simply a matter of you learning something, applying it, documenting, and sharing. In my case, something that I've learned with my YouTube videos. I saw another marketer, they would do a YouTube video, and then in their first comment, they would have a link to a blog post that went into more detail. So I was like, that's a good idea. So I borrowed that. I do the same thing. If I remember his name, if I forgot his name, I'll give him a shout out. But I saw him do that. He's also a member of Wealthy Affiliate. And he'll do a video, and then in his first comment, he'll have a link to his blog post. And doing that got me more traffic on my YouTube and my blog. And then it was just like, well, you take that same video and put it on your blog. That's considered rich media, and Google will reward your site because of that. That's something else I learned. So it's like, it's a continuous process. There's always going to be new stuff to learn. The point is to just start taking action. In the Marine Corps, we call it shooting from the hip. You shoot, you see where the rounds land, and your target's way over there. Well, you just keep shooting and tracing until your targets, to your bullets, your rounds, line up with the target, if that makes sense. So, that being said, wrapping this video up, links, all the information will be in the description and in the comment, the first comment below. If you have any questions, reach out to me. But again, there's so much regarding this topic, and I'm going to really start breaking down different things here moving forward, and I look forward to hearing whatever questions you have. If you have a mentor or don't have a mentor, reach out to me. My name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!